Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make the classic bee's knees cocktail like a pro. The classic bee's knees cocktail is beautifully concocted with gin, honey, and lemon juice. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a cocktail glass, and chill it. Add ice and little water. You can avoid this if you have pre-chilled glass. This is the easiest way to chill a glass. Now slowly stir for a few times. In this way you can chill a glass very quickly. Now keep the glass aside, and allow it to be chilled perfectly. Okay, let's start the job. Pour 2 ounces of London dry gin. You will be surprised to know that gin and vodka are produced from the same materials. But juniper berries and herbs turn the vodka into gin. Pour 1 ounce of honey syrup. Honey syrup is nothing but a mixture of honey and water. And 1 ounce of lime mix. Lime mix is lighter and less sour than lemon juice. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now add 4 to 5 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. This method is known as shake and strain in mixology terminology, and particularly used to make cocktails which are served straight up. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Okay, the glass is now perfectly chill, so just throw the ice water. Now fix a Hawthorne strainer, and double strain the cocktail straight up into the glass. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now garnish the cocktail with a fresh lemon wheel. The classic bee's knees cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.